It's the New Year's Eve today, and if you had any big plans of celebrating it outdoors, you might have to reconsider it. Now, all the metro cities and other areas in various states have put COVID curbs in place to ensure cases don't rise. Now, this is most of the metro cities are witnessing a continuous rise in COVID numbers as well as Omicron cases. Now, if you are in Mumbai, Section 144 is in place till early January. If you are in Chennai, then you might have to wrap up early, as hotels and restaurants will remain open only till 11 p.m. Now, amid massive spike in Omicron variant cases in the country, Vice Chancellor of Delhi's Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences and one of the most recognized doctors in the country, Dr. S.K. Sareen, has said that Omicron cases in India so far have been mild. However, Dr. Sareen added a word of caution, saying that cases are now doubling daily and there might be a further surge in January and February. Listen in.
Omicron is now almost known to us for 4 weeks or so, and in the data that we have and the patients that we have seen in Delhi or heard in India are by and large mild. The symptoms are minimal. They just have fever or cough or sore throat or body ache or muscle pains. These are not something very alarming. However, if you look at other countries like UK or France or US, the same Omicron, the number of people rushing to the hospitals has surged. They are swamped with new patients and emergencies in all these countries. However, everywhere else the death rates are still low, but we are in the beginning. We do not know because the complications, the seriousness comes much later, maybe 4 to 6 weeks later after the infection is on the rise. So it is too early. But the way it is spreading is really alarming. Like it's doubling up every second day or so, and the numbers are increasing. In the beginning of December, we had only 2% of the samples of total positive as Omicron. But by 20th of December, it became almost 34% or so. And the last week till 26th December, it's almost 53% of the total samples which have been received and sequenced as Omicron. So the numbers have increased, and if this is the speed, you can imagine that January and maybe even February we may see more and more cases. So going to hospital should only be done if the patient has symptoms, if there is a oxygen hunger or air hunger and need to go to the hospital. I would not advise everyone to go to the hospital and rush. But yes, those who have got symptoms, mild symptoms or asymptoms or have throat problems should isolate, should get tested, should certainly see that they do not infect others.
Now, a Hyderabad-based pharma company has launched oral antiviral drug molnupiravir tablets for treatment of mild to moderate COVID patients. The drug controller had approved the tablet for adult patients suffering from COVID and having less than 80% oxygen saturation. Hyderabad-based pharma companies are among the first to finalize the price of the tablets at a range of 2,000 to 2,500 rupees for a 5-day regimen of 40 tablets.
Anybody above 18 years of age. It cannot be given to less than 18 years of age. And in people who have mild to moderate COVID infection and who have a risk factor for getting admitted in the hospital. Those are the people that have to be targeted, and within the first 5 days of getting tested positive.
So what is the usage of this capsule?
It reduces the risk of hospitalization or death with COVID-19. So when we target the exact population that is needed, so it reduces the people's requirement to get hospitalized or people's possibility of a death. It reduces both of them.
Whether this capsule will combat Omicron virus?
See, by its mechanism of action, it is expected that it works against the Omicron variant also, because it doesn't work against the spike protein. It works against a molecule called RDRP, or RNA-dependent RNA polymerase, which is independent of the variants. So that's why it is expected to work against Omicron also, but studies are underway to prove that.